we want this to flow for you too. There's not like not forced anything. I'm so excited to introduce myself just briefly. You can read my bio in the book. It's pretty comprehensive, but what I want to verbally say to you all is I'm just delighted. I really am. I was inspired in the airport because I got that it's always a special group, and I think because this is right now, this is most special to me because I really don't know what tomorrow is going to bring. So I'm present right now, and I really I desire to get to know each of you as well as I can, and I really want you to know my authentic self, and that's what you're getting there. This is me. What you see is what you get. So I am SAS, and you can call me Sister SAS, Mama SAS, SAS, all capital letters. It's my brand, and I've been driving it for a long time as a calligrapher, a professional calligrapher. Calligraphy by SAS, Sharon Ann Smith, with a Sagittarius arrow on the end of that brand, pointing upward ever, you know? So that's an expression of me. Yes, I'm a reverend. Yes, I'm a mother. Biological, and I birthed children that weren't my own. You feel me? So yeah, I'm a mother. But when it get down to it, I want a 3-year-old to remember my name. SAS. SAS. And somebody say Sassy. That's okay too. That's okay too. But I was born in Kankakee, Illinois. I'm a Midwesterner from Chicago area. But I'm based in Atlanta. And I'm with Bomani in Atlanta by divine appointment, and we have many Atlantans on this trip. So yes, I'm a mobile global minister, and it's a church without walls. It's not a building. It's here, and it's here right now. And we move, and we get it in where we can fit it in. You see? So enough of me, and there's nothing you can't ask me one-on-one. I'm here to source and support, and Bomani has entrusted me over these 4 trips with him to be a spiritual support to anyone who might need whatever gifts I have, which are outlined in the bulletin.